Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how we can make the Tunisian reverse stitch. I already have a foundation row that I made. It has 14 stitches, and if you would like to know how to make this foundation row, I have a separate video for that, which you can check out. So in this video I'm just going to talk about the Tunisian reverse stitch. So to begin, you need to understand the two vertical bars that exist in a stitch. So for example, if you take this one stitch, it has two vertical bars, one in the front that we make our Tunisian simple stitch in usually, and then there's this back loop. This is the back vertical line bar, which is actually the same stitch. There's just two parts of the same stitch. So this one is in front and the other one, this one, is in the back. So if I go back here and I pick it up, this is the one that we make our reverse stitch in. So I'm going to go ahead and start making it. So I'm going to identify that back loop of the next stitch. So what I do is I insert my hook and pick that back loop and yarn over, pull through. So that is almost like a reverse of the Tunisian stitch. Instead of making a stitch in this front vertical bar, I'm making it in the back vertical bar. So I'm going to find the next one. So I insert my hook and I sort of use that space, insert my hook there and yarn over, pull through. So I do that for all the stitches that I need to make this in, all the way till the end of the row. So getting to the end of the row here now. Now this is the last stitch, and to make the last stitch you have to pick up the last two vertical bars together on your hook, yarn over, pull through. So that makes the forward pass for the Tunisian reverse stitch, and I'm going to make the reverse pass now. Just the usual yarn over, pull through two loops all the way through. And this is how it looks. So you see these little bumps here. I think if you look at the Tunisian the Tunisian simple stitch, you will find these bumps at the back, whereas in this stitch you find them in the front. And this is how it looks at the back. It's nice and clean. This stitch looks very similar to the purl stitch, but it has quite a different effect. I have used this stitch in some of my patterns, and if you would like to take a look at those, you're welcome to check out my blog or the other videos in my channel, and I'll see you in my other tutorials.